Hello students, welcome back to the online class. So today we'll do a continuation of the chapter which we were doing previously. So the chapter was chapter number 4, topic the Great Indian Desert. Spotlight. So in this class we are going to cover the life of the people in the desert region and Rajasthan. And this video will be our part 3. So let us talk about the occupation in the desert. In the area where the water is available, the agriculture is important occupation of the people. The farmer grow jawar, bajra, wheat and millets, as you can see in the image. This is jawar and bajra. The grass from the main natural resource of the desert. They provide nutrition to the animals and are also for making medicines, oil and soap. Cattle are rare for the milk and sheep and rare for their wool. So animals are kept for milk and sheep for the wool. Water source. The way of storing water. There is a scarcity of water in the desert. Scarcity means a very lack of water, very less. The water from the seasonal rainfall is collect in the tank and reserve and used for drinking and domestic purpose. So the water from a seasonal rainfall, whatever the rainfall used to come during the seasonal wise, they used to collect in the tank and reserve and use for drinking and domestic purpose. Those water they used to use for drinking and domestic purpose. People have now started storing water by using a traditional method of water. So now the people have been using a traditional method for using the water storage. The groundwater is a brackish and saline is unit for the drinking. So those are the two. The water storing tank, they used to store the water, whatever the water comes from the rainfall, they used to store from here. Here are the image, as you can see it. The main source of water. Now let's talk about the main source of water. The canal are the important source of water supply in the desert region. The Indira Gandhi Canal irrigates a vast amount of land in the Thar desert. The rivers that flow, whatever the rivers flow through these regions are Chambal Basin and Banganga and Luni. Those are the river which is to flow in this region. Now let's talk about Rajasthan. The Great Indian Desert falls in the state of Rajasthan. About 70% of the state is covered by Rajasthan. Those is called the desert state of India. Those is also called desert state of India. The capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. So Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. Rajasthan means the abode of Rajas, means Rajputanas. Rajasthan is located in the northwest part of India. The alluvial range lies to the southwest. So the alluvial range lies to the southwest, as you can see in the image. Now let's talk about the tourism. Some of the important places of tourism interest in the state of Rajasthan are Sarika National Park in Jaisalmer, Desert National Park in Ajmer, Sam and Curry Sand Dunes in Jaisalmer, Lake Palace in Udaipur. As you can see in the image, this is a Lake Palace. Bharatpur Kolidew National Park, painted town as Sikhwati. Those are the images of tourism of Rajasthan. Now let's talk about the economy. The agriculture is the main occupation in the state. So agriculture is the main occupation of the state. The tourism also help to earn a good revenue. Despite a scarcity rainfall, farmers grow a pear, millets, corn, wheat and barley, pulses, sugarcane and oilseeds. Those are the things which the farmer used to grow by the rainfall. Cottons and tobacco is the important cash crop. So those two are the important cash crop of Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the major wool produce state in India. The Rajasthan is the major wool produced in the state of India. So here is the image how they used to produce the wool. Minerals. Rajasthan is the important producer of gemstones such as granite. As you can see the image of the gemstone. The gemstone means the whatever the stone used to put on the ring, earrings, ornaments and all. The sum of the minerals found here: lead, zinc and silver ore. The marble, granite and dolphur stone is found in abundance. So those are the stones which used to found very abundantly. Industry. Textile, minerals, wool, vegetable oil and chemical are manufactured in Rajasthan. So those are the things where the used to produce in the industries. The handcraft with the marble, inlay work, jewelries, pottery, brass work and the puppets means Kathputli are very famous all over the world of their intricate craftsmanship. As you can see, those are the things which used to be produced in the Rajasthan. Now dance. Ghumar is the famous dance performed by the women. Gir, Pani, Hari, Kachi, Kodi and Ghayal are the popular dance form of Rajasthan. Here are the image of a dance form that have been done by Rajasthani people. Now let's read about the dress. The traditional dress of Rajasthan is ghagra choli and odhni for women. They also wear ghagra with the long blouse and odhni called poshak, as you can see in the image. The men wear dhoti, colorful turban and kurtas, as you can see in the image, the costume of the Rajasthani man. Now let's talk about the music. Chan and Bhopa are the two musical forms of Rajasthan. They musically rich folk song for Rajasthan and known for their narration for the heroic death and the story of the king and queen. Sorry. So those are the music for the where the people of Rajasthani used to play. The festivals. Now let's talk about the festival. Some of the festivals celebrated in Rajasthan are Gangor, Teej, Holi, Diwali and Eid. Those are the festivals which used to celebrate in Rajasthan. Pushkar festival near Ajmer is formed to mix a religion festivals and livestock fair. So those are the things used to be celebrated in the Rajasthan. Farmers come here to sell the cattle and camels. So livestock fair means the farmer used to come to sell the cattle and camels. So those are called the livestock fair. So here we end our chapter. I hope you have understood. that's all for today's class. See you in the next video, and thank you so much. And also don't forget to do this protective measures. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care.